school time, and I am dropping in to give you a few money saving hacks for back to school to save you some money. All right, so here goes. One, the very first thing you want to do is take an inventory of the things you already have. I am so surprised at the laundry list of school supplies, but we often overbuy and duplicate purchases. So first, take an inventory of what you have and then only buy the things you really need. That's number one. Number two, spread it out over time. One of the things that you'll notice is that usually school supplies will go on sale after the back to school season, after this back to school rush and emotional time where everybody is getting ready. So with a little patience, buy what you absolutely need on day one. But a lot of times the school lists are so generic. They're not even customized for what your child may need throughout the year. So give it a little time, let some stuff go on sale, and then go back and buy some of the things that they really need. All right. Number three, utilize your network. So I know you know other parents. You're in other parent groups, whether that's online or offline, from your church, from sports teams, whatever. But get together with those parents and see at least 2 or 3 families maybe, and consider buying school supplies in bulk. All right. This could save you guys a lot of money. It's great and it's efficient, right? You make a list, one person goes, you guys get together for some great social time, and then you guys can split up the bulk supplies that were purchased. All right, here's another one. Uniforms are really big here, right? Uniforms are really big here, but avoid this back to school hype, okay? Avoid the hype, because a lot of clothes will go on sale in September. They will go on sale in September. So you may even want to wait until Black Friday to buy even those winter clothes, like the winter coats or heavier things that your kids may need to be comfortable when they go back to school. And then finally, consider hosting a back to school swap. That is my top tip. Again, this is going to require some networking. Reach out to your church groups, reach out to your sports teams, reach out to the families who have kids where your kids are in the same age group. And instead of buying all new stuff, you guys may really have some gently used things that you guys can swap out, extend the life, and again, save you some real money.